Got a dog. Got Steve. Got the frog. Got some early morning fall fishing. Let's do this. New lake. No clue. A little buzz bait on the weed line. Maybe I should be throwing the jig and craw. First half hour, no blow-ups. Let's try the jig and craw. Try to put something together here, 9 feet deep. Maybe this will be the ticket. Steve's going with the swim bait. Zelda says,
you get the jig?
I'll eat everything on the boat.
Yeah.
I got the jig. See if we can get one out here. Right there, first cast. Look at that, no way.
Nice one.
Yeah, nice one. Well, look at that, guys. Switch tactics, and I feel some weight on this guy. Look at that fish. Wow, yes. Oh, wow, look at that, guys. Just a chunker. Look at that. First cast. I was just telling you guys, half hour, no bites on top water. Switched it up. Wow, first frickin' cast. Dude.
Let's work this song.
Dude, look at that belly, dude.
We can get 10 fish here.
Yeah. Okay, right here. Can we get a picture real quick? Alright guys, one last look at her. What do you think of that, Zelda? Goodbye.
No,
Backhand cast.
I was gonna say, drive the house fire.
Oh, right there, there's another one. Yo, another one. There we go. Another nice fish. Just casted that backhand cast. Oh, here's a fighter. I got something. Oh, we got a pike. Oh, it's a fish. Thought it was gonna be a big bass. All right, hold on. Hey, you know what though? Putting together a little pattern.
This rag is wet, bro.
All right.
Nice pike.
Nice pike. If I was fishing for him. Oh, give me my. Putting together a little pattern with that jig though. Might have to throw the spinner bait on. No. No. There's it. Right there. Got one. There we go. Little guy. Oh.
Pike, huh?
Another little pike. Well, this guy's actually a little pike. What is going on? Another fish though. But it must be shallower out here because we were actually closer and it was deeper. Do I like my new... Oh my God, look at that! Northern. Oh my God, that was a big pike. I don't know if that was on camera or not. Damn, I wish he would have bit.